shouted in surprise. One got caught, poof, he's gone hid. The rest ran fast before the dawn. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, hi there. No more skeletons stealing eggs tonight. Four skeletons came back again, thinking they could steal like vengeance. But Kitty was ready, quick and smart. Not in my farm, you can't take part. One slipped away with a funny fall. The others ran away from it all. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, poor thing, stay away from this farm tonight. Three skeletons tried once more, sneaking quietly near the door. But Kitty jumped with a magic sound and made them vanish all around. Kitty said, this is not your place. They ran away in a silly chase. Inspector came and clearly said, no more stealing eggs tonight. Two skeletons came super slow, but Kitty said no, no, no. One got scared and ran away fast. The other didn't even last. No. Inspector arrived with warning light. Keep the eggs safe every night. One skeleton was stealing eggs alone, but Kitty was strong like stone and pull. He saw her and started to flee. No more eggs for me, I'm free. Kitty didn't even need to chase. Peace returned to Kitty's place. Inspector came and closed the case. All eggs safe, no more race. Eggs are safe, the farm is fine. Kitty did an awesome shine within, with happy meows and morning lights. No more stealing eggs
Almost got them all
tonight.
into the basket.
Oh, Bubbles, crack, cash plush. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Kitty says don't let it stop. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. When the bubbles josh, crash, crash. Stop, up, pop, up, up so high. Catch the bubbles in the sky. Beaky blows a bubble small, then a giant bubble ball. Baby shark comes in with cheer. Bubble party starting here. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Funny bubbles never stop. Big blue bubbles fill the room. Floating high, zoom, zoom, zoom. Kitty tries to catch them fast. Bubbles fly right past. Pop, 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 jump and play. Catch the bubbles every way. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Bubble tower starts to crash. Pop goes one right on Kitty's nose, then another on her toes. Oh no, no, bubbles pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Pop, 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 jump and play. Bubbles bouncing off the wall. Tiny bubbles, giant called. Kitty spins and slips around. Hey, pop, pop, pop goes every sound. Hey. Bubble, bubble in the air. Popping bubbles everywhere. Plastic bubble floats so slow. Kitty whispers, there it goes. Baby shark jumps super high. Pop it burst up in the sky. Yay, yay, yay! What a day! Bubble fun and splashy play. Pop, 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 jump and play.